the mobile hot shop from Tacoma's Museum of Glass. We've got Rich and Becca here making some incredible works of art based on the drawings of children at the Hands-On Children's Museum. We're here, today's Thursday, we're here from 11 to 2 today, we're here from 11 to 2 tomorrow on Friday and on Saturday, seeing some really cool work being made. You get to experience and feel the heat of the glass, see some glass being made, see it come straight from the furnace, coming out at about 2100 degrees Fahrenheit, being formed, shaped, changed and transformed into some really magical works of art, created, designed by children, executed, crafted by these craftsmen, these artisans that work in the material. The Museum of Glass has a hot shop that has artists working every single day, working live with hot molten glass, producing works of art from all over the world, being created right there in downtown Tacoma. Today we're really thrilled to be here in Olympia to share this with the children of Olympia at the Hands-On Children's Museum. Please come down and check out all the activities.